Night Night Farm, written by Amy Parker, illustrated by Virginia Allyn. The sun sinks low down on the farm, so for now we'll say night-night and sleep until the rooster crows to wake the morning light. It's bath time for little piggies, now hop in, 1, 2, 3. But all their muddy splashing means a big old bath for me. Beneath the moon, a mama cow nuzzles her calf real close. Then mama hums a lullaby, the sound I love the most. A trot to the orchard and back for apples crisp and sweet leaves Fuzzy Foal all tuckered out, asleep at Daddy's feet. A night-night snack and all eyes close, well, all except for one. Mama, just a wee bit more and then I'll be all done. 3 woolly lambs like puffy clouds float gently down to sleep and dream of happy days while they are counting sheep. Yellow chick on a downy bed with a mom so snugly warm, the promise of another day and new life on the farm. The coast is clear, a voice calls out, and mice come riding through. A hayride while the whole farm sleeps under the midnight blue. Mice and pigs, chickens and cows, squeak, oink, cheep, and moo. Oh, the animals God has made, and hey, He made me too.